Hello students, our today's topic is conditional statements and converse. To understand the concept of conditional statements and converse, you need to refer the ninth class textbook of Math 2. The concept is given on page number 8. The statement which can be written in the if-then form are called conditional statements. The part of the statement following if is called the antecedent and the part following then is called the consequent. If the antecedent and consequent in a given conditional statement are interchanged, the resulting statement is called the converse of the given statement. Now, with the help of this information, we will try to solve the given assignment of 6th day. Here, as you can see that we have to write the given statement in if-then form. The opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary is a given statement. Now consider this statement in two parts. In first part, quadrilateral is cyclic, and in second part, its opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore, for conditional statement, we can write it as if a quadrilateral is cyclic, then its opposite angles are supplementary. Second question is, write the converse of the statement. Statement is the diagonal of rectangles are congruent. To write the converse of this statement, first write this statement as a conditional statement. Then you can easily write the converse of this statement. Conditional statement is if a quadrilateral is rectangle, then its diagonal are congruent. Part of the statement following if is a antecedent part, and part of a statement following then is a consequent part. Now by interchanging the antecedent and consequent part of the statement, we can easily write the converse of the given statement. Therefore, converse is if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are congruent, then the quadrilateral is a rectangle. In this way, we have converted the given statement in conditional statement, and then we have written the converse of the given statement. Okay. Now let us move to the third question. Write the given part and the part to be proved in the following statement. It means that you have to write the given part and the part which is to be proved. Now read the given statement carefully. If all the sides of triangle are congruent, then its all angles are congruent. Here this part is antecedent part and this part is a consequent part. Antecedent part means given part and consequent part means it is to be proved. Now consider triangle ABC, in which I have shown the three sides are congruent by showing the same mark on the three sides. Therefore, in given part, in triangle ABC, side AB congruent side BC congruent side AC. It means that all the three sides are congruent, that is the given part. In consequent part, it is given that its all angles are congruent. It means that we have to prove that angle A congruent angle B congruent angle C. Okay. Now the next question is question number 4. Draw a labeled figure for the following statement and write the given part and the part to be proved. Here we have asked to draw a labeled figure and to write the given part and the part to be proved. Now read the first statement. Two equilateral triangles are similar. Now consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Two triangles are given equilateral. Therefore, our given part is triangle ABC and triangle PQR are equilateral triangles and they are said similar. Therefore, in to prove part, you should write triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Now read second statement. If angles in a linear pair are congruent, then each of them is a right angle. According to the statement, I have drawn a labeled figure. In antecedent part, it is given that the angles are in linear pair and they are congruent. Therefore, from the figure, the given part is angle ABC and angle ABD are angles in a linear pair and angle ABC congruent angle ABD. This is a given part. In consequent part, it is said that they are right angles. Therefore, in to prove part, you should write angle ABC is equal to angle ABD equal to 90 degree. ओके. जर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर रिप्लाय करा. जर आवडला नसेल तरी पण रिप्लाय करा. आपण पुन्हा नवीन व्हिडिओसोबत भेटूया. ओके. धन्यवाद. बाय.